answer to this one. Everybody talks about data as oil, data as food. Would you feel data as water is a better metaphor to use, or you have some other one?
Yeah, I think so. I think look, the oil thing has been beat up. There's like a lot of people that are just, the intent of that data as a new oil was, it was a basic kind of, hey, we got to do something with it to get value from it. But I think, I like to think of it more on the renewable concept. So I think water is, solar, wind, whatever. I think that the renewable model is a little bit better of a description. And, I think that the other thing with data is that it comes with great responsibility, right? So I think that we've all been seeing the challenges of we're amassing all this data and how are organizations and enterprises using that data. Are they using it for good, or are they using it for not so good? And I think that, that comes with culturally. I think hopefully, as we move into the future, people are continuing to look at it's a renewable. It's a valuable renewable, but we need to use it for goodness, right? So I hope that enterprises continue to think about it that way.